This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. Here we are. This is a 746. Disassembled, front panels off. We went to Access to clean the main tuning knobs, specifically the RF power control. There was a little dead spot at about 10 o'clock. All these controls are plastic type potentiometers with an open back. In order to get to them, multiple ribbon cables need to be, you have to take off the front bezel first, the plastic bezel, and all the knobs come off the radio. The VFO knob and the rubber ring, you don't even need to take the rubber ring off because there's no set screw. The knob just pulls off. All these knobs, the top dual concentric knob, volume and squelch, RF gain, are dual concentric. They both come off. The multi-turns pot and the sub, they're single knobs. They come right off. You just pull them off. So all the knobs you just pull off. You do not need to unloosen the nut that holds the mic socket. The bezel just comes completely off. However, in order to remove it off the sub chassis, there are two ribbon cables, one that goes to the main display and one that goes to the keyboard, that needs to be undone, and then that front bezel comes off. I'll show you the bezel real quick. Here's the back of the bezel. Here's the front. Take off the screw that holds the VFO dampener. You don't have to remove the bracket though. That could stay on. And then there are a total of 5 screws that are in order. 1, 2, they're all numbered up to 5. And then these two controls, you have to remove the shafts, and there's a sub chassis that would allow you to gently pry the board out enough. The controls are right here. You could actually change them out. They're very easy to desolder and replace. But once you bring this board up, you can then get in there with your cleaner and spray the backs of the pots and then work them in. And I could tell you that there was a substantial change when some liquid cleaner got into those pots. That's basically it. N2LEN with the 746 front panel disassembly. Catch you later.